Hi, good morning. This is Chester, your AIA Life Planner and also your AIA Vitality Ambassador. So I consider myself as an AIA Vitality Ambassador mainly because I really wanted to promote AIA Vitality not just to our customers or clients, but also to other people that really wants to live a healthier, longer, and better life. So para at least they can be able to benefit, no? Dun sa mga nakukuha naming perks, discounts, rewards, just by living a healthier lifestyle. No, so if you are a new user of AIA Vitality, this would help you in terms of using and navigating your Vitality app. So para at least magamit na gamit nyo yung Vitality app ninyo. So, ayan. So I'll be sharing my screen on my iPad. So, okay. So by the way, AIA Vitality is an application that you can download on your Android or iPhone, or even on your tablets or on your iPad. So just like me, I use it on my iPad and also on my phone. So ayan. So right now, you can see the AIA Vitality Philippines. So that will be the icon. So you can search that on your Android sa Google Play and or sa App Store. Ayan. And then once you open this one, so this would be the dashboard, no, of the AIA Vitality. So you can see on the top left will be your name and the right side naman is yung points nyo na na-accumulate. So, and then you will also see your vitality status. So, for me, it's bronze. Bronze ulit. Kasi, every year nag-reset yan. So, expect that to happen because yun nga, you need to always achieve probably gold or platinum and then mag-reset siya ulit. Ayan. So, para at least you will know that as a person, no, kailangan nyo ulit magpa-check up, magpa-vaccine, ganon. So, it's like a routinary thing that you need to always check on yourself. And always, kumbaga, to be fit for the whole year. So, dun sa baba niya, we have 8 icons, no? We have notification, earn points, use vouchers, workout tracker, e-card, health report, help, and friends. So, sa notification, it's just like the messages you receive. Like, ayan, I don't usually check on this one kasi wala namang kailangan. And then we have the earn points. So the earn points will be like all of this, like the assessments and challenges. So for the whole year, dapat magawa nyo siya. But for this one naman, madali lang siya magawa. Like sa assessments, like the how active are you, how well are you eating, it's more of like what do you call this, series of questions that you just need to answer right away. So you can take this every 6 months and then may points ulit after the 6 month, ganyan. But yung iba lang, like the Vitality Health Check, kailangan nyo magpa-appointment, vaccinations, Vitality Nutrition Consultation. Ayan, so kailangan lang ng appointment. And we have the challenges. So this would be for a weekly basis. Ayan. So there you go. So we have the use vouchers. So use vouchers is for the vouchers that you receive weekly if lagi nyo na-achieve yung weekly fitness challenge. So you can see the vouchers. So if you na-achieve nyo yung challenge, fitness challenge for the week, you'll be receiving a voucher. So you can choose any from this. But for me, ang lagi ko lang ginagamit is yung sa GCash. That will be an equivalent of 100 per voucher. Yan. And then we have the membership benefits. So you can also check on this one. So like for the Ayala Mall Cinema, I always receive this in a weekly basis. So dalawang voucher per week without even doing the fitness challenge, no? Yan. So this one depends on your status. But since with me, platinum na ako before, so nagme-maintain naman siya as platinum. Pero yun nga, yun lang yung nagme-maintain, but your um vitality status is nag-reset pa rin. Yun. Hope it makes sense, no? Yan, kailangan niyo lang siya gawin every year na mag-platinum or gold kasi dito nakabase yung additional coverage nyo if it is integrated to your insurance plan, no? Para nakikita nila ano ba yung dapat na additional coverage dun sa plan nyo, nakalagay dito yung ano nyo, kung vitality status nyo. Ayan. So, you can check all of this kung ano yung mga gusto nyong gamitin. And then we have the history here. So, ito yung mga history. Pwede nyo yung balik-balikan kung ano na yung mga nagamit nyo before. So, going back sa dashboard, tapos na tayo dun sa tatlo, we have naman the workout tracker. Yeah, and this would be the application that is attached or connected to AIA Vitality like the Apple Health, Fitbit, Garmin, Strava. So kung ano man yung ginagamit nyo na application, kailangan nakakonect siya dito sa AIA Vitality. So every time na so this is more of like reading. Nare-read niya yung like the step counts yan sa heart rate. Tapos sa speed. So, walang ganun si AI Vitality, no? Hindi naman siya workout tracker. So, kailangan niya ng tracker na separate. Yun. Hope it makes sense, no? Yan. So, kailangan naka-link si AIA Vitality dun sa kung ano man ditong application na ginagamit nyo. Yan. So, we have the e-card naman. So, this is more of like showing it, no? Like for me, I'm using it sa Tobii Sports. So, kailangan ko ipakita to na katunayan na ako to. Yan, for the discount, no? So, we have the health report naman. So, health report is the result of the assessment that you did previously. So, for me, this was 6 months ago. Yan, so nakakaya 34 pero 32 pa lang ako. Yan. Pero, ayan. So, as much as possible talaga in terms of doing your assessment, be honest, no? Like, ito naman din naman ano eh. Kasi kailangan yung gawin to yung sa vitals nyo. Although ito, depende sa kung ano yung sinagot nyo. Sa fitness, nutrition, sleep, yan. So, nakadepende yan sa sagot nyo dun sa mga questions. And then we have the help. So if may questions kayo, we have the FAQs. If wala naman doon, you can send them a message through email or contact them dito sa mga contact numbers na yan. And then we have friends. So although we cannot do this to message them, but yan. So nandyan lang yung mga kakilala nyo nagwa-vitality din. So next one would be what's on. So what's on, it's more of like the announcements, yung mga latest news about AI Vitality, mga promotions and rewards. So you can check all of this kung ano yung mga sa tingin yung magaganda. Yan. So we have the feature tools. This one is the latest one, which is tracking your vitals with a selfie. So it's more of like may points din to na ano per week siyang ginagawa. So it's more of like a face scan. So naka-steady ka lang yung mukha mo sa screen or sa camera and then chine-check niya based sa mukha mo. So kailangan fresh ka. Yan. So, from there, makita na yung blood pressure mo, heart rate, stress level, and BMI. Yan. So, ayun. Yan. So, the assessment, yan din yung kanina, no? Nakalagay lang siya dito. So, it means na kung ano yung mga nakalagay dito, you need to do that to earn points. Yan. And then we have the challenges. So, we have the team challenge. So, this one would be, you have like, you can join two teams, no? Teams ng ibang Vitality user. Yan. And then you can create one for yourself na ikaw yung team leader and you have 5 members. Yan. And then whenever lahat kayo nagagawa niyo yung weekly fitness challenge per week, yan, you get one voucher, additional one voucher dun sa team leader or ikaw. Yan. So we have the weekly fitness challenge. So this would be for a week. So yung sa akin, ang goal ko dapat maka 500 points, no? So kung gaano ka kasipag, ang maximum would be 500. Pero kunyari hindi ka na nagsisipag. So hindi mo na nagagawa every week, no? Bumababa 'yan, no? Like magiging 300. So kung depende sa kasipagan mo. So as much as possible, no, isync nyo siya before matapos yung week, which is Sunday. Yan. So dapat Sunday nakasync na yung fitness tracker nyo para nare-read niya kung yung progression nyo. Yan. And then don't forget to answer the how healthy are you test every membership year. No, dapat mauna muna yun kasi kung hindi, you will not get any voucher for achieving the weekly fitness challenge. Ayun. And yan, we have the reward. Same lang na nandun sa taas kanina. Sa baba naman, so that would be the dashboard. We also have the assessment. Same lang din. So makikita nyo kung ano yung mga na-complete nyo. Online, face-to-face. And then we have the challenges. Yan. So you can check all of that. Then the rewards, yan din yung kanina. And then we have the profile. So sa profile nyo, ayan, makita nyo yung membership number nyo. And then end on, yan, that nakikita nyo yan. And then yung status nyo. So ako na-maintain ko yung platinum. So yung benefits ko na ano yung status ko as platinum, na-maintain din siya. Although ito nga, kailangan ko ulit siyang gawin. So from bronze dapat ma-achieve ko ulit yung platinum. So yan, when I click on this, makikita ko kung nasan na ba ako. Yan, so I need to reach, kailangan ko ng 10,000 points to reach silver, 20,000 for gold, and then 30,000 for platinum. Very easy, madali lang to ma-achieve kasi dun pa lang sa assessments, mabilis na siyang magawa. Ayan. And then e-card, yan din yung kanina, point history, earn points, and help. No? So same lang din kanina, health report, workout trackers, yan, friends, notification. So same lang din nung nandun sa taas kanina. And then settings, if you want notification sa cellphone nyo, naka-enable yan. Profile search, you can find AI Vitally friends and allow friends to find you. Yan. Biometrics is kung applicable lang siya sa device nyo, no? And login details, kung mag-log out kayo, tapos mag-login ulit kayo, wala nang kahirap-hirap, naka-remember na siya. And the sign out. So, ayun lang naman for this one. So, hopefully this helps you in using your AI Vitality. So, If ever you have any questions, clarifications, concern about your AIA Vitality app, you can chat me or message me, or if you have your own financial advisor, you can ask them as well. So, ayun. Thank you for watching. Bye.